Okay, so good day everybody. If you haven't watched my last video, go watch it. This is just these are just like leather coasters, or that pretend leather, and they've got cardboard or something in between. So this is something that I did quite a while ago, and I've got leftover resin which is getting quite warm now, and I need to use it ASAP. So that's what I'm doing. Never waste anything. Tell you what, I was so excited about these last few or couple rather resin pieces that I did. Oh my goodness, so exciting, very colorful and very interesting, to say the least. That's one, nice and thick. And I haven't even, this is all that I wasted. That's all that got wasted out of these two pieces. It's quite amazing and really, really good. Good when that happens. You feel good that you used everything and not had to waste a thing. So now we got that covered. I could leave it like that, but I've got some silver left. Just want to go over it with a bit of silver, like that. Do the same kind of, maybe go this way, and use it all up. It's all down there now. Done. Well, that looks cool just on its own like that. So that's what you can do. But to do designs like this, you have to wait for your resin to thicken. It's real thick now. Then I got a little bit of white, which I might just, oh, see, that's real thick now. Pour it over here. Go that way a bit. And maybe over there. And whoops, stop moving. Maybe there, and a little bit here, and a little bit here. And that's all of that gone now. So I've got a tiny little bit of red down here, which is turned into pink now. And this is just a mix of colors, so I'm just going to put some of that on there as well. And what else? That's it, pretty much. I got the lot. A little bit more of that red here, and I might be able to scrape up some of this blue, which will look cool with the white. Not even a drop there, but you'll see. Okay, so now I'm going to get my heat gun, and oh my god, that looks so cool, just sitting on top like that. Okay, let's do it. Need to twist this one over this way a bit, maybe that way, and get that white to cover. That's better. Oh, that's looking really awesome. Not touching this one, that looks real awesome, that. Except I think I want to get some more white on the edge here. Oh, don't you fall on me. Wow, that's looking really good. You can see right through it, that clear sitting on top of that painting, so you can see that underneath, and you can see the silver, and yes, beautiful. Need some more here. I'm going to add a little bit of white in the middle. And only that, or maybe in here a little bit. And then hit it again. And that's, whoa, whoa. Okay, time to turn around again. That way. Wow, that's awesome. And I've got some more drippage. I can't help it. It's just happening. But what I can do is just tidy up the edges. Wow. This is really awesome. Got to move you, little fella, over here. So I've got all that stuff there. And I can pick up. Wow, that's really awesome. Gonna leave them like that. It's still moving, but yeah, they look pretty cool. Look pretty cool. Alrighty, that's it. That was a quickie. Hopefully a goodie. And I'll see you again in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.